Hey everyone, it's Steph, and today I'm here with another sort of product review. This one is for the contact lens company PinkyParadise. They were kind enough to sponsor me some lenses in exchange for me talking about it, so here's a little video of me doing a little bit of unboxing and talking about their contact lenses. So this is the package that I got it in. I took a peek at everything inside, but like most contact lens companies, PinkyParadise sends you as well these cute little animal cases, which is super sweet of them. And then the other things inside here include this little bag of goodies here, which is awesome. Cute. They have their own stickers. So they have this cute little sticker sheet here that you can see that has like all this cute stuff like, oh, I love contact lenses, etc. So, oh, and I think that's super useful that they have this opened on sticker here. I don't know how well this would actually adhere to the cases, but nevertheless, that's really neat to have because I am always forgetting that. More things that they have in here. Ooh, they also included this eyelid patch, which I'm sure isn't actually for the eyelids, but it's for the under eye. I've seen these on some makeup videos, but that's really neat. So this is something that you would wear underneath the eye. That's really neat that they included a little beauty product here as well. Another thing they have, let me see, what is this? This little bag here. Little picture on the back. It says it's a hairpin. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Don't really quite understand how. It just has some Velcro on it. 2 pieces of Velcro. Oh, you know what? Judging by the little image here, I think it's like supposed to be something to pin your bangs back, is what it sort of seems to suggest in the photo here. So out of curiosity, I kinda wanna try it. My hair is like super thick though, so I don't know how well it'll work. Well, I guess it does work. That's neat. And then you just sort of like throw your hair back. That's super nifty. Very interesting. I haven't seen anything like this before. And it doesn't hurt when you take it off. Okay, I think this is the last little thing in the bag, which appears to be a little pouch, which is super nifty to put the contact lenses in if I didn't have a pouch to put them in. So that's awesome. And on to the actual things that I would have liked, the contact lenses themselves, which are packaged in these things here. So while I open these, I'm going to talk a little bit about PinkyParadise. They're a company that I reached out for a sponsorship because I feel like PinkyParadise has been one of the oldest and like longest running contact lens sites that I have been aware of in cosplay. I used to use them a lot when I started wearing contact lenses, which I believe was around 2014 sort of. They were one of the only sites that I had really heard of, and then I started hearing about Honeycolor a little bit as a website that offered circle lenses. I stopped using them after a while because they did require a valid prescription, and I hadn't been to my optometrist in a long time, so that sort of made them not as accessible for me. But I do appreciate that they do require a valid prescription for your contacts to make sure that it is actually something that is correct for you and doesn't damage your eyes. They did do all that stuff to get it approved because they did want to be FDA approved, I believe, so you know, they're a safe and reliable website that you can order your contact lenses from. So the 2 contact lenses that I ordered, this one's Pinky Violet. I believe it had a different name on the website. I will put up. I don't know if you can really tell from the bottom here, but they're pretty neat. And then I also ordered these pink ones, which are EOS brand. Again, I will put the specific brand up. I'm gonna go ahead and pop them open super quick. The pink ones I had gotten for my Nezuko cosplay from Kimetsu no Yaiba or Demon Slayer. So as I pop these open and put them in here, I will also, when I get both of them in here, I will show you guys what the lenses actually look like when they've been brought out of the case. So this side over here is the contact lens sitting regularly, but this is it flipped so you can see how it looks on the outside. Ooh, I'm spilling contacts fluid all over myself. You can kind of get an idea of how they look there. Obviously, contacts will look a little bit different when they are backwards because that's the part that you don't see on your eye. At this point in time, because I did just open them, I'm not going to be popping them into my eyes. If you guys didn't know, you should let your contacts soak in the contact lens solution for at least 8 hours before you wear them. Because of that, I will not be sticking them in my eye right away, but I will be including a picture, of course, of how the contacts actually look when they're on my eye and whatnot, and I will write a more in-depth guide on my Instagram of how they feel in terms of comfort, enlargement, color, all that good stuff. So for the other color, this is what the contact looks like on my hand. So that's it reversed. So when it sits on your eye, it's flipped out like this. Like I mentioned before though, it's a little bit hard to tell when it isn't on your eye to see how good it actually is, but that is how the contact looks like when it isn't on the eye. So that is it for the unboxing a little bit of the contacts that were sponsored to me by PinkyParadise. I do also, I believe, have a code with PinkyParadise if that is a website you are also interested in getting your contact lenses from. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. I feel like they in general have been a fairly stable company that's been around for a long time that hasn't had any PR disasters, so if you haven't tried them yet, I would highly recommend giving them a look. I believe my code STEPHSTONECOS, I will put right here, will net you not necessarily any discount, but you will get a mystery gift, they said. I don't know if that means that they're gonna hook you up with a free pair of contacts, because I did order a pair of red contacts that I did use for my Tifa remake cosplay, and those came with another pair of purple contacts just because. So chances are you could get that, or you could get that cute little goodie bag that I got at the beginning of this video. Who knows? If you use my code, let me know what they send you, because I'm curious too. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.